In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sierra Chart Spreadsheet Studies. We'll walk through setting up a spreadsheet study so you can calculate custom indicators or build simple trading logic right inside Sierra Chart. First, make sure you have Sierra Chart running with your data connected, and then open a chart window. The spreadsheet will reference whatever chart you attach it to, so choose the symbol and time frame you actually want to analyze. If you change charts later, just remember the spreadsheet will reflect the data from the chart it's attached to. Next, go to the top menu and choose Analysis, then Studies. You can also press the F6 key to get there faster. This opens the Studies window, which is where you add, remove, and configure everything that appears on your chart. On the left, in the Available Studies list, scroll until you find Spreadsheet Study. If your goal includes generating alerts directly from spreadsheet formulas, you can choose Spreadsheet System/Alert instead. Both options feed chart data into a spreadsheet and read back your spreadsheet results. The System/Alert version simply adds alert handling capabilities based on your formulas. If you're unsure which one to start with, pick Spreadsheet Study. You can always switch later. With the study selected, click Add. You'll see it appear on the right under Studies to Graph. Make sure it's highlighted there, because the next changes you make will apply to that specific study. Now click Settings. In the Spreadsheet Name field, type a clear, memorable name. This name is important. It creates the spreadsheet if it doesn't already exist, or opens the existing one if it does. Think of it as the file name that binds your chart to a specific sheet. Short, descriptive names work best, and using different names lets you maintain separate logic for different charts. Below that, review the inputs. These control how the study exchanges data with the spreadsheet. The defaults are fine for most setups, but if you know you need more columns, different data alignment, or particular calculation parameters, adjust them here. Small tip: make one change at a time and keep notes, so it's easy to retrace your steps if something doesn't behave as expected. If you opted for the System/Alert version, this is also where alert-related options live, so confirm they match your plan. When you're satisfied, click OK and then click OK again to apply everything and return to your chart. That's it. You've attached a spreadsheet study, created or opened its linked spreadsheet by name, and configured the inputs. From here, your chart and spreadsheet are connected, ready for you to build formulas, test ideas, and if you chose the alert-enabled version, let your logic drive real-time alerts.